This Metabo HPT 10 inches sliding dual compound miter saw with laser marker offers the ultimate in form and function for trim carpenters, framers, and woodworkers. The positive stops on the miter and bevel scales make for easy to read measurements and quick settings. With a 45-degree dual bevel angle range, users can quickly flip the saw blade and leave the material in place. The linear ball bearing slide system and white on black miter scale provide superior accuracy and visibility. Electronic speed control keeps RPM constant, and unintended cuts are avoided with the electric brake feature. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Adjustable laser marker. For precise cutting lines easily adjustable to the user's preference. Number 2. 57-degree miter angle to the right, for ultra flexibility with 45-degree miter angle to the left. Number 3. Soft start function, reduces noise and recoil during startup. Number 4. 12-amp motor for the toughest cutting jobs. Number 5. 10 inches sliding dual compound miter saw. Number 6. Same tools, new name. Hitachi power tools have been renamed to Metabo HPT. Number 7. White on black miter scale provides superior accuracy and visibility. Number 8. Bevel, 0 to 45-degree bevel angle range to the right and left, allowing users to quickly and easily flip the saw blade and leave the material in place. Number 9. Electronic speed control, keeps RPMs constant. Number 10. Electric brake, unintended cuts are avoided. Number 11. Includes C10 FSHS miter saw, 10 inches 40T TCT Saw Blade, Plvoting Flip fence, 10mm box wrench, dust bag, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.